Akala mo ba na ang blockchain potential ay isa pa ring sikreto sa panahon ngayon? Akala mo ba na ang blockchain ay forever magiging isang just quote-unquote innovation na lang? Nako, baka hindi mo alam na marami na ngayong mga kumpanya na pwedeng mag-push kay Bitcoin above $100,000 in the many months to come. Alamin natin, Miranda, kung ano nga ba ang 10 publicly traded companies ngayon na talagang gumagamit na ng blockchain technology sa kanilang mga operations. Miranda, hindi na may kakailangan ngayon na ang blockchain potential ay hindi na isang sikreto. Marami na rin mga kumpanya na tinitrade sa Wall Street ang gumagamit ng blockchain technology. Sino-sino nga ba sila at sino ang 10 pinakamalalaking kumpanya na ngayon ay tinitrade sa Wall Street at gumagamit din ng blockchain at the same time? Unang-una, Miranda, si Nvidia. Ang kanyang stock market ticker is NVDA. Known as a prominent figure in the creation of the intensive hardware, yung mga napakaganda mga GPU and varied tech solutions, si Nvidia ay nagsispecialize din sa paggawa ng mga crypto chip mining processors or CMP for computers. Itong kumpanya na ito ay gumagawa ng CMP technology na nag-a-allow ng mga malalaking GPUs to be controlled by a single CPU. Kung baga meron kang isang motherboard, pwede kang mag-connect ng 10 to 20 or even 30 or 50 GPUs for faster and more efficient cryptocurrency mining, especially on Bitcoin. Pangalawa, Coinbase. Ang Coinbase na merong simbolong COIN or stock symbol in the stock market ay nag-host ng isa sa mga pinakamaraming cryptocurrency players platform in the whole world. Coinbase ay nag-offer ng malaking platform na merong halos 100 milyong users that are already buying, selling, and storing assets from cryptocurrencies to non-fungible tokens. Ang kanilang application, Miranda, ay nag-offer din ng access sa mga crypto wallets at isang designated Coinbase debit card and a crypto reward system. Sila ay naging public noong 2021 at nagkaroon sila ng pagkakataon na maging steady contender in the current cryptocurrency market. Nga pala, Miranda, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click on like and subscribe so you're updated for everything about cryptocurrency, technical analysis, fundamentals, and these types of new knowledge for you in crypto. Maraming salamat. Pangatlo, Miranda, ay PayPal. Nilang stock symbol ay PYPL. Sila ay based in San Jose, California. Ang PayPal platform ay nag-a-allow sa mga users nito at businesses na makapagpadala at makapag-receive ng pera from different countries across the world. For cryptocurrency users, you can also send and use applications to buy, store, and exchange Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin currencies. Si PayPal ay isang global company na merong 400 million global users, making it a very popular money transfer application options sa mundo. Pang-apat, Miranda, AMD. Stock symbol is AMD based on Santa Clara, California. Ang Advanced Micro Devices or AMD ay gumagawa ng computer hardware and core technologies for the support of data centers, high-performance computing, and gaming. The company's blockchain compute systems ay nagko-combine sa power ng GPU at CPU hardware to power a secured and optimized blockchain transactions. Ang AMD has also partnered with other blockchain companies in the whole world to create blockchain gaming and rendering platforms. Panglima, Miranda, is IBM. They're actually based in Armonk, New York at the stock symbol nila is IBM. Along with offering services to help businesses integrate blockchain into their processes, si IBM ngayon na nag-host ng kanilang sariling blockchain platform and open source framework known as Hyperledger Fabric. IBM's blockchain solution have helped overcome hurdles in the supply chain, credential security, and of course, digital asset management, Miranda, and has over 120,000 organizations na nagko-contribute sa Hyperledger Fabric project. Di na may kakaila, Miranda, na ang IBM ngayon ay isa na sa mga unang prominenteng kumpanya na nasa blockchain infrastructure as well. Of course, pang-anim is Microsoft. Located sila sa Redmond, Washington at stock symbol is MSFT. Si Microsoft ay nag-partner with Consensus, Microsoft's Azure platform that they're offering Quorum blockchain service. Ito ay tumutulong to establish blockchain in companies across variety of sectors. Yung fully managed ledger services ng Microsoft ay nag-a-allow for the creation at scaling of enterprise blockchain applications at smart contract in the cloud. Kasama yung mga kumpanya ngayon like Bosch and prescriptive health. Pang-pito, Miranda, ay Intel Corporation based in Santa Clara, California at ang kanyang stock symbol ay INTC. Developed in the collaboration with the Linux Foundation, IBM and SAP, si Intel's Hyperledger Sawtooth Network is an enterprise-level blockchain platform na gumagawa ng blockchain applications and smart contracts. Its platform ngayon offers data protection from outside parties. Open source din ito at nagagather ng mga virtually unhackable ledger. Sila ay nagdidistribute ngayon ng Intel Block Sale ASIC and is able to operate at 580 gigahashes per second rate for proof-of-work networks on cryptocurrency mining. Pang-walo, Miranda, ay The Block. Based in San Francisco, California, ang stock symbol nito ay SQ. Block is the parent company of payment platform and cryptocurrency-related services na Square, Cash App, Spiral, TBD, and Afterpay. At its core, si Block ay isang kumpanya na focus on technologies on making mobile payments more accessible for users and smaller businesses. Kasama nito ang crypto banking support. Ngayon, ang kumpanya ay also branching out to host platforms in media and entertainment like Weebly and Tidal. Pang-siyam, Miranda, is Riot Blockchain based in Castle Rock, Colorado. Ang kanyang stock symbol ay Riot. Riot lang naman is currently housing North America's largest Bitcoin mining facility. Crypto mining company Riot Blockchain is actually striving to become the one of the most relevant and significant companies supporting the Bitcoin network. Utilizing over 116,000 Antminer applications, Riot Blockchain today is actually hosting 200 megawatt north of Bitcoin mining clients. By 2023, yung kumpanyang ito is forecasting to speed up its self-mining hash rate capacity to about 12.6 exahashes per second. And huling-huli, Miranda, is Marathon Digital Holdings. Stock symbol nila is MARA or MARA based on Las Vegas, Nevada. They're actually operating a data center with over 2,000 ASIC Bitcoin miners. Si Marathon Digital Holdings ay entirely dealing lang with crypto mining and the generation of digital assets. Yung pinaka-goal ng kumpanyang ito is to mine and to support the development and security of the Bitcoin ecosystem and mitigate corporate expenses, making the currency more accessible for investors. Miranda, ito ang 10 pinakamalalaking kumpanya na ngayon ay nagdi-deal sa blockchain at also publicly traded. Ito ay magiging susi sa pag-akyat ng Bitcoin towards $100,000 in the near future. Maraming salamat nga pala kay Moon at kay Donald M na nag-comment sa ating video, and of course kay Ray Fillart sa ating video na how to transfer crypto from Binance to MetaMask wallet step by step. Maraming salamat and leave your comments para mabati ko rin kayo, Miranda. Maraming salamat po.
Subscribe, like, follow, and share. Sige na please, Miranda.